Taking a look at XLM from the previous video, we can see that XLM is actually approaching the major downtrend, which would suggest that if XLM is going to have a chance at being bullish, you have to break this falling wedge, as one would argue that this is actually a falling wedge. One could also make the case that the wedge is actually much larger. If I can adjust this correctly, you can see that there's a little bit more room to go up. However, in the shorter time frame, you can see that this downtrend is actually still holding. And again, I'll just clear out the chart and we'll use this one. So in the short term, there is a possibility that Stellar Lumens flips bullish if it breaks out of this downtrend. We can take a fib from the high down to the low, and you can see we're getting stuck at the 236 retracement at 29 cents, which would suggest that if XLM is going to be bullish, a break over 29 cents would need to happen, and a move up to about 33 cents would need to follow as well. Now, if that does not happen and XLM actually sells off, then obviously the price is still bearish. In my opinion, in order to confirm the bottom for XLM, we need to see a break over the 382 at 34 cents. That would send us up to about 43, 51, and then once XLM gets over 51, there would be a larger move up to 85, and obviously a dollar would be in play. However, as long as XLM is below the 236 or the 382, there's no reason to assume that XLM is yet bullish, in my opinion.